Gracias, gracias.
Bienvenidos a mi historia.
Good morning everyone. I'm checking out from the hostel and just want to show you that all of these trees are avocado trees. The main reason why I came to Guatemala is to hike Chichicastenango, and people usually hike Chichicastenango to watch fuego eruptions. By eruptions I mean lava fountains every 10-20 minutes, but it stopped erupting about 2 weeks ago, and now there is a concern there is going to be one huge eruption. My originally planned hike was supposed to start today at 7 a.m. but I had to change my plans. So today is somewhat a free day for me in Antigua. I decided to immerse myself into local life as much as possible. So right now I'm walking to the bus terminal. I want to ride one of these buses, and then I'm staying for one night with a local family. I'm planning to take a local bus to Mayan village, Santa Maria de Jesus. So tourists call these buses chicken buses, but this might be offensive to locals. For them, these are just buses. Okay, that's the bus terminal, and now I need to find my bus to Santa Maria de Jesus. Carmencita, Chichicastenango. Oh, Maria? No, that's not the right Maria. Oh, Santa Maria de Jesus. Oh my gosh, this is my bus. This is my Santa Maria de Jesus. Oh, gracias. School district. Okay, cool. I'm on the school bus. That's supposed to be a 25-minute ride. It's hot here. It's hot. No AC, no ventilation, nothing. I'm boiling here. Gracias. Again, a lot of kids working with mummies. We have cereal here, Rice Krispies. Hola! So this market is a smaller version of Chichicastenango market. Chichi market days are Thursdays and Sundays, and this market days are Tuesdays and Fridays. And you can get here from Antigua by taking a local bus, and it's a 25-30 minute ride. Hola! Gracias. Again, beautiful ladies' clothes, very vibrant. What's cooking? Looks like meats, chicken, beans. That's the laundry place, women doing laundry. Oh, that's how you get your water. and wash your clothes in this bus. And there is a baby sleeping while mom is doing laundry. Hola! Let's go ask this armed guy this question. Alright, let me practice my Spanish again. Hola! ¿Es segura esta zona?
Sí.
Sí? Why do you need this? Why?
Una escopeta.
Oh, why?
Una escopeta.
Why do you need a gun? ¿Por qué necesitas un arma?
Porque estoy cuidando un camión.
¿Por qué?
Cuido un camión.
Oh, I see. Gracias. Have a good day. Bye.
Preciosos palmares se oyen los tiernos cantares que salen de tu oído.
This bus ride did not disappoint. I'm back to Antigua. Okay, so this is where locals eat. There are numerous public restrooms available for a small fee, and most importantly, they are well maintained and clean. Tacos, gringas. I don't know what gringas mean. Alright, I think I'm gonna have lunch here. Ceviche is 30, 40, 50. Hola. Hola. Ceviche mixta.
30, 40 o 50 mixtos.
40.
Buenos ceviches.
Oh, I love ceviche.
Buenos ceviches.
Yo quiero ceviche.
¿Tú qué? What's your name?
Julia.
My name is Eliseo.
Eliseo?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Estábamos comentando por qué abandonado Andrea. Compadre, usted está cambiando de camino por vereda.
Hola.
Ay, pero óigame, compay, no deje el camino por coger.
Google Maps says it's San Jose Cathedral. It's being renovated.
Mire, compadrito, usted ha botado a la pobre Geraldina para meterse con.
No kidding. I'm walking back to the hostel. I need to pick up my bag and then they're going to the family I'm staying with. Honestly, I don't know what to expect from this experience, but I'm very much looking forward to it. Donde el gringo. Laundry. Hello, buddy. And now I want to get a tuk-tuk to get to my next accommodation. Let's see. Ah, hola. I need to go there.
Viene para acá.
Sí. Can it? How much?
5.
5? No. 30. 30. So today I'm staying with a local family. There are 3 people living in this house. Carolina, the host, her husband Adolfo, and their hermano. I forgot what it's in English. So let me show you around. Here's a courtyard in the house. Carolina, the host.
Hola, bienvenidos a la Antigua, bienvenidos a la casa,
Gracias.
a Casita Azul, que es el nombre con que estoy en Facebook. Bienvenidos a mi casa.
Gracias, gracias.
Bienvenidos a mi historia.
Thank you, thank you.
Tengo habitaciones allá arriba, pero
Oh.
como ahorita no hay huéspedes, entonces estamos secando café
Oh,
de
I
nuestra
see.
producción. Ajá,
I see.
pero puedes ver.
Wait, coffee? Is
Ajá.
this cafe?
Sí.
Oh, interesting. Cat food detected. A gato? Gatita?
Sí, allá está, frijolito.
Oh, I see. Here you are.
Más café. ¿Qué hay más habitaciones?
Okay, another room. And another room.
Ujú.
Kitchen. Aloha. Phrase that says every family has a story. Welcome to our story. Oh my God, muchas gracias.
Bueno.
Muchas gracias.
Cena. ¿Está bien a las 6:30?
Oh, dinner is sí. Sí, dinner.
6:30.
6:30. Sí, gracias. Another laundry service, and they take credit cards. Such a busy part of the town. I have no idea where I am right now, but looks like it's market, mercado. Oh, mango. ¿Cuánto costa? 10. 15? 15, okay. This mango is super sweet and it's about $2. Carolina invited me for dinner, everything. What up?
¿Y quieres café?
Sí, con leche, por favor. Good morning, everyone, and look at this beautiful breakfast Carolina made for me. Bye, Carolina.
Adiós, Julia.
Muchas gracias.
No, a ti. Muchas gracias. Adiós, Julia. Que tengas muy buen viaje.
Gracias.
¿Ok?
Gracias. Muchas gracias. Familia tiene una historia. Bienvenidas a nuestra historia. Gracias. Bye. 4896.
Ha llegado la hora.